Enter location and department. Then verify data stored into backend table. For that, div dot 67 row is the right setup and maintenance. Search. Manage location. Manage locations. Create. So whatever the department name, department number we have created, right? So for example, I am creating the data Hyderabad location. HYD location. Street one. So this is the parent record. Take the parent record data here. Parent record. And we are going to add the child records department. That means one parent, one parent, we are going to add the multiple childs. So there are the department icon plus. So department name I am adding admin. So here if you look at this one guys, so department number, basically what will happen, it will accept the number, right? But wantedly I am giving the character just for your understanding. See what it is asking is hello. Did you observe? So because because it is validating, so that is the reason it is giving error. Yes, yes. Save. Hmm? Save and submit. That means one location we are getting 3 departments. So after you save, submit. Okay. So now guys, what you will do, you will verify the data. For example, in the front end, I'm verifying whether the data coming or not. But in the backend table also, we need to verify whether the data storing or not. Hmm? Storing or not. Check. Whether my location code. So data storing. So data displayed means that means this data has stored into table also. So go to Hyderabad location. In Hyderabad location, we have created 3 childs, 3 departments. Hmm? So, but we need to identify where that extensible flex field data will store in the backend table. For DFF, it has stored into only one table, right? For DFF data, it will store only one backend table. Only one backend table. Hmm? But for EFF data will store into 2 tables. One is main table, second is EFF data. EFF data will store into another table. So for
So
example,
Bakshi, main table is the base table, right?
yeah, correct.
So base table, like it will store in attributes only, like DFF.
No, I will tell you this. After that, you will understand this.
Okay.
You will understand in a while. For underscore locations. For underscore locations is the main table for this one. Hmm? And EFF data. So EFF data, we have a different table there. For underscore underscore for underscore location underscore extra info underscore. Hmm? EFF data will store in another table per location extra info underscore F. So this is the main table. So this is the child table.
How to identify this table, Vamsi?
Huh?
How to identify this table, the TFF?
We will see in the this one OER only.
Only OER.
OER only will check. So now let me check this data. The OER only will find out.
There is no provision to verify that about this page kind of thing, Vamsi? Like
No,
OER?
no. So that much still Oracle not given. Maybe in the future releases they will give. So that is a big drawback for the Fusion, right?
Yeah.
But in the
Otherwise,
future
difficult to
releases,
develop, right?
they will do that. But as of now, Oracle not given that option.
Okay.
So it is a trial and error, Narendra. Table names and all.
Okay, Vamsi.
for locations where location underscore code equal to X.
Vamshi, using ATP database in SQL Developer also, we cannot query the tables directly there.
Standard tables we can, no.
From
Standard,
No.
this name, sir.
standard tables.
So standard tables every time we have to come here only to query.
Yes. So this also Oracle giving some tools in the clients.
From it.
If you raise the SR in the company, Oracle is giving some extra, Oracle is taking some extra charge and they are giving the tools. But that is client specific. Location code is not working. Oh, column. Cancel. Location info. Let's see. So what is the location code? Location code, this one. Take the internal location code. Hmm? Okay, now. So this is the main table for the location. This is the, I think I can see parent table. Okay. But now you have to take the location ID from the parent.
And simply scroll right. In this table, you can't see the data.
Consider?
I mean, for the TFF information.
No. In this table, no. In this table, no, Narendra.
Okay.
But DFF, it will store in same table only, but EFF, separate tables will be there.
Yeah, EFF phone I'm asking.
Yeah. EFF, it will store into separate table. Huh?
Okay.
Select to start from per locations. So you take the location ID. So this location ID where we got this one, we got from parent table. Copy this location ID. So, hmm? So now go to diagram. Actually, once EFF created, I think if you just for your understanding whether the data stored into backend table or not. Usually when it is storing, if you are entering the data in the front end, you verify that whether data coming in the front end, that is fine, that is done. So, but your understanding only, I'm coming and I'm showing, I'm running the queries. So this is the EFF data. EFF data means department data. Yeah, so run this one. Okay. So this location ID and this location ID matching or not. But if you observe here, this location ID, this location ID matching, but it should come only 3 records, right, in the location table. Hello. It will
Yes.
come only 3 records, right? But it is coming multiple records. What you need to do, you need to pass the EFF code. That is EFF code. Oh. What is our EFF code? Anyone remember?
Try with date, Vamshi.
Huh?
Try with date, creation date.
Yesterday we have done, right?
Yeah, I can give the CZ -1.
Okay.
Descending by creation date, Vamshi, otherwise.
Hmm?
Descending by creation date.
Yeah, okay. I'm checking whether we can get here or not. This is not ours, man. Okay. We have done yesterday in this instance or different?
In this one, Vamshi. Otherwise, we would have got the data right. You created those two
No,
fields.
not correct. Yesterday we found yesterday.
Now we are using that SZ department EFF only. EFF only.
This is ours, huh?
This is ours. Now you created no.
Yesterday?
Yesterday not, but you are using this only. SG underscore department EFF, admin finance, HR. These three you added recently, right?
Yeah, this one. But this EFF name not EFF name is not mine.
Yes, that is I'm created.
But what about my I have created? You deleted mine?
No, I have not.
But it is not there mine. Okay, yes, that's fine. So this is just now I have created, right? If you want to verify, you need to pass the EFF name here. Where? Where?
And where?
Column movement. And equal to somehow whatever I have created EFF that is not there, but anyway, the data storing in the backend table for this EFF. Hmm? So simple guys, you need to pass the location ID and you need to mention the category code. This is the EFF name, whatever created the EFF name, that EFF name you need to pass so that you will get only 3 records. Category. Then mistake is there. Permission.
I think location ID is different.
Hmm?
Location ID
Location ID?
different, I think. What you have mentioned here.
Oh, is it? Copy. Something deleted. Someone deleted my extensible flex file yesterday.
Is there an history table, some say? History tables.
History table also there. Yes.
Also, this EFF table name, the every base table underscore ending with that extra info underscore if we are resuming like that.
Yeah, that is the standard table which I got from.
Yeah, that's one for the other for other tables. If some reason if you are enabling some other applications, right? It might be tables are different, right?
Correct, correct. So this may be, I think it will be their extra underscore info underscore f. But exactly, I am also not sure. But we will find this in the OER.
Okay, okay.
But you maybe Oracle given like this information per locations, but it may or may not be different. It may or may be different arrangement.
Okay.
Column name correct. Information category, not attribute category. That is a mistake.
Can you connect a SQL developer or putty instead of this one? I'm sure.
Oracle not giving that option anyway. Every batch I used to get this thing. But nowadays, what Oracle is giving the charging for this. Charging means if you want to access this data, they are giving some tools. Okay. So the tools we need to take the license from the Oracle and then we need to run.
Okay.
So that is the way it will work. Vision. So now it is coming right 2 or 3 records.
Yes.
So only thing is, guys, maybe some whatever I have created EFF that is someone deleted. Not sure on that. But the thing is, you have to take the location ID from the parent, and you have to pass location ID and this category name. Category name means EFF name. So this EFF name, if you pass, the corresponding location related child data will come. This is the EFF data or department data or child data. Sharda, now you have any question? You asked me, right, something.
No, I got it. So DFF data we have to get from the base table, and EFF table from EFF table, this EFF data we have to get, right?
Correct.
Just that location ID, like some unique
Some common column.
Yeah.
So now can you prepare the query, guys? I'll give one scenario to you. Prepare the query like this. I want to, now we are doing the two separate queries, right? If you look at this one. Two separate queries, right? This is the location query. This is the extra information query. But my client is asking to build the report like this. Location ID, location code, and what is that? DEPT number, department name. All will be displayed in the single query. Can you try this one? So this data should come single query, single query, but we are using two different queries, right? Can you try, or
This
you want me
table,
to
did
do?
we get this department number
Which table?
in this second table? We got the department name, right? At admin, HR, and
This is coming, na department number also. Department number also coming, na. Department number also there.
1, 2, 3, yes, yes. Okay.
Can you bring this one? Single query, location ID, location code, and department number and department name. The single query I want to get the data. Simple, yeah, not much complex. You want me to do? You will try.
We will do. Easier.
Okay. Try this one, guys. I think not much complex. The only thing is you need to take this one. You need to take this one. And what is the common column location ID? We need to common column and pass this attribute category name this one so that you will get. Join this table, join this value, and then join this table, and we need to pass this location.
We need to pass the line information category also.
Category you need to pass.
The both where conditions we need to pass.
Yes, correct.
That's the department and that's the department EF. Okay, both are same.
So now EFF is done guys with this. So guys, this table what I'm checking only for your understanding only. In the real time also, when you are doing many front-end data story, you have to verify the data stored in the backend table or not. So for that purpose only I'm showing. But so whatever the just to 20-30 minutes whatever I have shown, so this will not be required if you are confident.
So Vamshi, for every base table, EFF table will be there, right?
Definitely EFF will be there.
So for that, like this naming convention of the table will be like this only extra info F.
That is what Narendra asked the same question there. I'm not 100% guarantee, but for this one I have worked in. That is the reason I'm telling this one. But others may or may not be same.
Okay.
For extra these locations I have worked in. That is the reason I'm confidently telling this. This is the base table. This is the EFF table. But others business objects I'm 100% not sure.
Vamshi, is there is any other way to find that if in the real time if we'll get the like the scenario means to find out the tables and how we can find Vamshi?
I already told you now how to find out the table names.
Yeah, at the beginning.
OER I have shown, right? Not beginning. Many times I have shown.
So from the back end, this all tables, the table is there, right? Do we have the table here also?
Yeah, it is means backend means. Not getting the question clear.
No, we have objects, right, Vamshi? In R12, we have the provision, right? All underscore objects are all tables, right?
Yeah, here also there all underscore objects table is there. All underscore tables are all underscore objects here also there. You can try here also. All underscore tables are all underscore. But usually we will go with the OER only. But all underscore tables there are not. Let me verify that. Common table. Okay, there. All underscore table name is there. You can search all underscore table name underscore extra info percentage like that you can enter. Okay, now you want me to show?
We'll check, Vamshi.
Okay. Now we'll see the key flex fields. Key flex fields. Key flex fields. Let's say setup and maintenance. Manage. We have a 13 key flex fields are there in Oracle Fusion in different modules. So we have 13 key flex fields are there in the Oracle Fusion. So, but we are going to concentrate on HCM people group flex field. People group flex field. So what this people group flex field will do? So when we hire an employee, when we hire an employee, create employee skill set. When we hire an employee, create employee skill set information. This employee skill set information not there in the Oracle Fusion. So they want to this combination. Skill name, skill code, skill name Oracle. They want to display like this Oracle dot 123 dot skill rate 1 like that. So in the backend table, these 3 columns are different columns, but in the front end it will display like this. That means what client will understand. So this guy have a Oracle. This is the code name. This is the rating. So that is the way. So this key flex field will work. Key flex field means combination of multiple segments clubbed together. Multiple segments means first column, second column, third column. Segment 1, segment 2, segment 3. So basically for DFF it will store into attributes, right? DFF data will store into attributes. EFF data will store into some LEI, something, some columns will be there. Different columns will be there. But KFF will store into segment columns. For employee skill set information, we have skill name, skill code, skill rate is there, right? So now we need to store this combination of the data into backend table. So for key flex will also the data will be stored into different table, same like as EFF. So the use case is, guys, when we hire an employee, I want to define the employee skill set. So it should be like this: employee skill name Oracle code, and one this skill information we need to add in the Oracle Fusion application. Understand or not? First of all, I will hire an employee. My client group. New person. Hire an employee. Try to fill vacant position. So click on it. So now what we are going to hire an employee for this PS1 legal entity, and we need to define the skill information, but skill information not there. Skill information not there. Click on it. Business unit name. So here, I think in the employee information page, here you will get the people group flex fields here. So if you look at the people group flex field, if I mention because this is added by someone, that is the reason it is coming. But in the standard Oracle Fusion application, this will not be there. So this is some of the other students have practiced, that is the reason it is coming. But in the standard Oracle Fusion application, this will not be there. So this is the way it will come. So we'll enter the skill name, skill code, and skill rate, and click on OK. So that data will be displayed here. So the data will be displayed in the single field. But in the combination, we have to enter. But end user, when end user will open this employee in the future, verify, then this people group flex field will display combination. Or combination will come. This combination will come. Oracle.vara123.1. Sometime client will ask to display like this also. Vara 1, 2, 3. Sometime client will ask like this also. Oracle hyphen Vara 1, 2, 3 hyphen. Sometime client will ask dot, sometime client will ask hyphen, sometime client will ask underscore. So based on the requirement, we have to add this one. So the thing is, guys, so when you hire an employee, we have to give the provision for employee skill set for that employee. So in standard Oracle application, this option not there. So this is someone else, that is the reason it is showing. So you don't get confused here. But in the standard Oracle application, this will not be there. So now what we are going to add this combination: skill name, skill code, and skill rate, and this data. Understand? First step is identify the key flex fields for the hire employee screen. So simple, guys. Hire employee screen is the core HR, right? Core HR module. Core HR module, we have only one flex field there, or global HR. So you will see only one flex field for the global HR. If you look at this one, I think I already shown. I'll show you once again. Setup and maintenance. Manage key flex. Manage key flex fields. Search. In HCM module, we have only one key flex field name here. So this is other modules like assets, product model, and there are other modules are general ledger, inventory. But we are going to focus only this one. First, whatever the key flex fields, skill name, skill code, whatever other student added, we are going to remove that one first. So to remove that one, go to remove that one. Someone there is no option to delete one. Delete one.
Disable the checkbox in the above.
This one,
Dynamic combination not so disable that one.
Otherwise, to avoid the confusion, I will go to other instance. 30 also there, right? Setup and maintenance. Search. Minus key. Okay, I think in this instance it is not there. So we'll go ahead in this instance, okay? So first we need to create the structure base. First we need to create the structure. Third step is create and add the fields here. In the structure, we need to create the fields. So what fields we need to create? These fields. These fields we need to create. Then create the structure instance. Create the structure and create the structure instance. We need to create the structure and we need to create the structure instance. And map the structure here. And map the structure here. Next to 4. First we need to create the structure, then we need to create the structure instance and map the structure here. So whatever you have created the structure, that structure we need to map the structure instance. Then deploy the flex. Deploy the key. Deploy the key flex. Deploy the key flex fields. Deploy the key flex field. Then after that, there is a one setup is there. Manage global HR setup. We need to add the structure. Sixth, verify the flex. So this is the steps we need to do, guys. So we'll see tomorrow this one.